In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a CRM. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use sales workspace built from a template so you can track leads, deals, and follow-ups without starting from scratch. Open ClickUp and look to the left sidebar. Find the Spaces area. This is where your major work hubs live. Next to Spaces, click the plus icon and choose Use Templates. Templates are the fastest way to turn ClickUp into a CRM because they come preloaded with lists, statuses, views, and fields tailored for sales workflows. In the template modal, use the search bar and type CRM. You'll see several options created for sales pipelines. Pick one that matches how you like to sell. Some focus on simple lead stages, while others include more detailed handoffs and account management. Click the template to preview it, skim the lists and views it provides, and when it looks right for you, select Use Template. You'll be prompted to name your space. Choose something clear and specific, like Sales CRM or Pipeline, so your team immediately knows what lives here. Then review the import options. These settings control which parts of the template you bring in. Things like lists, statuses, views, custom fields for contacts and deals, and sometimes automations. If you're new to ClickUp as a CRM, it's usually best to import most of the defaults so you don't miss critical fields like deal value, stage, owner, and next activity. Next, decide how to handle dates. You can keep original dates from the template, clear them, or shift them forward. For a fresh start, clearing or shifting dates keeps your pipeline clean and prevents overdue items from day one. Think about your sales cycle. If you're launching this mid-quarter, shifting dates by a few days or weeks can line everything up with your current cadence. You'll also be asked whether to include archived tasks. In most cases, you can leave archived items out since you're building a new, clean CRM space. If you're using a template for training examples, including them can help you see sample records, but you can always add your own sample deals later. Finally, click Use Template to create the space. Note that many advanced templates require a paid plan. If you're on the free plan and don't see the option, consider upgrading or choosing a template available to your tier. After a moment, your CRM space will appear, complete with pipeline stages, views like board and list, and fields for tracking every deal. You're ready to add leads, update stages, and run your sales process inside ClickUp.